Hi and welcome to the unboxing of the Boya microphone. This one is a little microphone that you can just put on your clothes and put this one on your smartphone to record yourself while you even have like a bit of distance to your mobile device to make sure your voice is still getting heard. Let's see what's inside. All right, there we go. Not that much, but I guess everything that's important. The menu, as you can see, it's just two buttons, one for noise cancellation and one for on and off. And you just put it on your clothes, and you can also swivel this little thing 360 degrees. So this is the one. This is the one you put in your smartphone. USB-C. You can get it for iPhone 2. This is the microphone with the little clip and the two buttons, as you can see. And the charging cable, of course. Let's put away this little plastic. Is it just me, or is it always satisfying doing this? I guess it's just me. All right. Nice and clean. All right, this is the microphone. All right, so let's take a look at them again. As you can see, they're quite plastically. Like, I don't know if you hear. It's really literally light and plastic. I'm a bit worried actually. If I put this in my phone and plug it out, maybe to rip this one off if you're not careful. At least it feels a little bit like this. So you always need to be careful while pulling it out. Otherwise, this one is a little bit heavier than this one, but also quite light and plastically. And the next one I will show you how it actually sounds. Alrighty, so we are here with the microphone test now. This is the Boya microphone. As you can hear, maybe the quality changed. I'm holding it quite close to my mouth actually. Now I changed the mode on it. Alright, this is the next mode. I guess it's the noise cancellation mode. And yeah, this is how it sounds actually. And yes, say hi to Leo, my little cat. Who is ripping apart the box. Yeah, stop. All right, so there you go. You hear the microphone quality. I guess it's quite decent for just plugging it in your smartphone and starting recording. If you put the microphone a bit away from your mouth, it will sound mostly like this when you have it on your clothes. I will make the test with the pop filter, how this windshield filter is working. As you can see, it does have a windshield here. Please excuse it. Like, make the volume a bit lower, please, so you don't hurt your ears. Peter Parker. All right, that's how the windshield is working if you have it quite close to your mouth. And yeah, please subscribe and stay updated for the next videos incoming. There will be coming a lot more videos. And please hit that like button and see you soon.